Hi, good morning all. Happy Monday morning. It's time for our normal calendar time. Hope you all had a great weekend. Today, instead of doing story time at the end, we will have a special presentation and a special thing for you at the end, and we will resume our story time tomorrow. Today is March the 23rd, 2020. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday, and we are in the season of spring. Today's current temperature is 38. We have a forecast of a high of 48 and low of 26, with some clouds and some sun. Yay, sun! Let's go, sun! There have been 82 days in the year 2020. So this is 8 tens and 2 ones. Let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. So if we write a number expression, we have 8 tens or 80 plus 2 ones, 2 equals 82. Our joke of the day. What do you call a dinosaur that is sleeping? A dino snore. Here is our daily concept review. It's using our touch line to add and subtract. Let's go back here and see if we can get that to play. There we go.
I'm here today to talk to you about the use of touch points for addition and subtraction. As you can see here, this is a number line, and on top of on each of the numbers, there are corresponding dots. So number 1 has 1 dot or 1 point. Number 2 has 2 points. 3 has 3 points. 4, 5, they each have the points that go with them. Once you get to 6, 7, 8, and 9, because they're larger numbers, you'll see there's a point and then a circle around the point for 7, 8, and 9. If you are doing an addition problem with touch points, what you do is, here's an example of the addition statement. I touch the larger number, say its name, and count up. So if the problem is 7 plus 3, you would touch the larger number, say its name, and then count up. 7, 8, 9, 10. If you wanted to do a problem where the second add end is bigger, 4 plus 5, you still say the larger name. 5 is larger than 4. You would say the larger name, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's using touch points number line for adding. If you wanted to use it for subtraction, you do the same thing. You say the top number, say its name, and count backwards. So if the problem was 7 minus 3, you would say 7, 6, 5, 4. So that's a real easy way for using your touch point number line to add and subtract.
Okay, and for today, we're not going to have story time. We will have a special visitor. Tomorrow we'll resume with chapter 4.
Hi, I want to share with you what I found this morning in my yard. Hold on. Did you see those? Those are duck eggs. I saw the mom and dad walking around in my front yard earlier this morning. So I thought it might be fun to do a how to draw a duck. So hold on, I'll be right back. I'm back. Here's what I thought we might draw. A duck, maybe in some water. So you'll need a white piece of paper and a pencil and your crayons. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the duck's head. You're going to start about halfway in the middle of your paper and draw a circle. Make it rather big because that will be his head. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. We always have an eraser on our pencil that we can use to touch things up. All right, now your paper should look like this, with a circle. The next step is his eyes. We're going to put one rather big circle and color it in. That will be our duck's eye. And then now we're going to draw the beak. The beak is a rather unusual shape. It kind of goes down and up, curves around, and then curves back down onto his face. Can you see that? Now we have our duck with our eye and his beak. The next step is his body. When we draw the body, we're going to start about in the middle of the bottom of your circle for his head. We're going to make a little neck. We're going to come down and give him kind of a big chest. Something similar to that. Our next step will be his back and his tail. So we're going to go back up where his neck connects to his head. We're going to go down, a little curve up, and to a point, and back down. So now your duck should look like this. So now we have our duck. You may color this duck. You may make a background. I'll show you again what I did. I put the duck in some water. I drew some grass and rocks in the background. I did the sky and I put a bright sun. I hope you all have a great day. I miss you. Mind your mom and dad and stay safe.